This is a phase 1 recipe that can be used from day 1. Today, I'm going to give you the cheat code for grilled fish. We start with an oven-safe pan, parchment paper, and I'm using red snapper fillets. The first thing we do is we turn on the broil, and then we're going to brush with salt and oil. Turn the fillets over and repeat. It is important that the parchment paper be the same height as the pan so it doesn't catch in the broil. So here comes the cheat. We're going to turn on the fire and we're going to cook the bottom of the fish on the stove. When the fish just begins to turn white on the edges, we're going to transfer it onto the broiler. So that's a lovely color, and we're going to sprinkle with onion powder and garlic powder while the fish is still hot, and this will give us flavor. The fish is hot enough to cook the onion and garlic, but not hot enough to produce advanced glycation end products.